Hello gorgeous, so today I'm gonna show you how my cousin achieved this look. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching.
For the foundation, I will be mixing my L'Oreal Infallible Pro-Glow in the shade 204 Natural Vap together with my Revlon Photoready Skinlights Face Illuminator in the shade 300 Peach Light to darken the shade a little bit and to make the face more glowy and luminous.
Now I am adding my second layer of foundation to achieve full coverage. For the concealer, I am using my Maybelline Fit concealer in the shade Sun Sable. To set the concealer, I am using my Nichido Final Powder in the shade Creamy Glow. For the eyebrows, I am just filling it using my eyebrow pencil from Daiso. I am now using a concealer to clean the edges and to make it more defined. The base of the eye makeup, I am using this shade from Detail Contour and Blush Palette. I am now using this shade from BYS Eyeshadow. Don't forget to apply your false eyelashes. For the mascara, I am using my Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. I am also using the same mascara in the lower lash line. For the contour, I am mixing these two shades in my Detail, Contour, and Blush Palette. And also, don't forget to contour your nose. For the blush, I am using this blush from Detail Contour and Blush Palette. Also, don't forget to brush away the excess powder in the face. To line the lips, I am using this Smooth Silky Long Liner Pencil from Pinkies collection in the shade Bubblegum. I am now using this Maybelline Creamy Matte in the shade Touch of Spice. Lastly, I am now applying my highlighter from Detail, Contour, and Blush Palette. Tada! So this is my cousin's last minute prom makeup look. So if you guys like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye!